guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to comment image on Instagram comments. So you can see a lot of people commented a photo with a photo just like the way TikTok do. I'm going to show you how to simply do that. So first of all, you need to make sure your Instagram app has been updated or is up to date. So you simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you search for Instagram, whichever one you're using, maybe Instagram Lite. So just search for it and click on updates. So once you update the app, you should be able to get this. So once you turn on a person's comment section, you should be able to see this right here where you click to type for comments. You can see this symbol of image right there. So once you click on it, you can just pick any image of your choice and just comment. So this is simply literally how to comment with image and Instagram comment section. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.